Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're watching me for the first time, I'm Gautami and I make videos related to skincare, makeup, fashion, lifestyle and many more. So please do click on that red subscribe button and join my journey. In today's video, I'm going to speak about the 5 products which I've recently found and I found them super useful in my life. So this video is for those people who are not aware of these kind of products. There might be many more people who are already aware of it and been using it. So this one is for the knowledge of the people who are not aware of it. So let's get into the video quickly. So the first product I'm going to speak about in this video is the pimple patches. The one I'm going to speak about is the spot patch from Nykaa Skin Secrets. This has tea tree and salicylic acid. Tea tree is supposed to heal your pimples, and salicylic acid is of course very good for your acne prone skin. So these are the patches. These retail for 100 rupees. I've seen the products, these kind of products in other brands too, but they are kind of expensive. The one from Nykaa are like very inexpensive. There are 8 patches in it. It retails for 100 rupees. So I think it's a good deal. It sorts me for like a couple of months or 3 months. So I think this is very useful, guys. You just have to apply it, like put it on the pimple for 7 to 8 hours, like while you sleep, and then by the next day you will have a very small dried up pimple which causes a lot less pain. For me personally, the pain is the main reason which makes me pick the pimples, and I pick the pimples and the scar lasts forever, guys. But if you treat it this way, the scar fades off really quickly. So this is one of the very nice products which is available at a very affordable price at Nykaa. The next product I'm gonna speak about is the Wadi elbow, foot and knee scrub. I love this soap. I'm not aware of this product for a very long time now, but this is one of the best sellers from Wadi Herbals. When you click Wadi Herbals and when you type Wadi Herbals and click search on Nykaa, this is the first product that appears, and the price of the product is just I bought it just for rupees 38, and this is actually less than that of the Peer soap which we normally use in our family. So I really love this product. It reduces the roughness, dryness of your elbows, knees and foot. I am one of the kids who usually sit on their benches like this. I've sat like this for years on my school benches, so I have very dark elbows. They're rough and also flaky, and this scrub soap works really well on them. You have to use it consistently though. I've been using it for like the past 20 days and it's been working so well. I've seen the difference within a couple of weeks. So if you want changes, be consistent with it. This is this actually looks like a pumice stone, but it's not that rough though. It's of a kind of soap with some scrub particles in it, and it really works and reduces the darkness of your knees and elbows for sure. You should use it consistently and you'll see the results for sure. So the next product which I'm gonna speak about is the rescue tape from the brand Forever New. Rescue tape matlab it's not really the rescue tape, but this is the rescue tape which actually saves you from the embarrassing situations, like maybe outfit malfunctions or anything of that sorts. If you need a solution for those, this is a very nice solution. This is a tape which you can use to stick 2 pieces of clothes, or you can stick it to your skin and the cloth also. It doesn't move, it doesn't budge. It's just like a safety pin and it's totally invisible. So this is like a very nice product. This is a clear transparent one. Unless someone comes near to you, even if you apply it on the outer side of your clothing, nothing will be visible. And it also comes with a dispenser. So if you're someone, so I've seen a lot of these kind of things happening in offices and people again going back home and coming back to office. So just buy one of these and have it in your handbags. This will be useful. And I bought the one from Forever New, which is a kind of high-end brand, because I also wish to stick it on my skin and the clothes. So I wanted something which is safe for my skin and which might not cause further problems of allergies and all. So I bought this. This also comes with the dispenser, which is actually not sharp. It's only sharp enough to cut the tape. so it's totally easy to carry it in your handbag. So the next product I want to speak about is this facial cleanser from Bronze & Professionals. This is like a tube of Folio Luma, but if you can't afford Folio Luma, this is one of the very nice products. It has thick brushes on one side and thin brushes on the other side. You can use either of those. It's soft on your skin. It takes off everything from your face. Like majority of the problems that happen to your face are just because you don't take off everything from your face which you apply. Maybe the skincare or the makeup, everything has to be removed while you go to sleep. I mean, other than the night skincare. So that is the main reason everyone is asking you to do double cleanse, oil cleanse, everything of that sorts. So guys, if you wish to buy Folio Luma and you are not able to afford it, you can go for this one. This works really well. I didn't use Folio Luma, so I can't comment about this, but this really works well and takes off every dirt and grit and grime from your face, and it also gives a nice massage to your face. So if you're willing to, if you want to buy something and you're not able to afford the Folio Luma one, just go for it and buy this. So the next product which I'm speaking about is the product which is not only used for women, it's for men, women, young, old, everybody. What I'm going to speak about is the callus remover from Lifelong. This is for rupees 1500. If you go for a pedicure, it costs you nearly 1000 rupees, and you can't go out of the home, like you can't go out of the house to salons at this point of time. So I thought it will be better if I get this product, and I've bought this product. It turns out to be really, really good, guys. This is not only for cracked and dry heels, it's also for callus removers. Callus is the thing that happens in the older people mainly, so they can totally use to remove this, remove the callus from their feet. It works like this. It also, this is a medium level scrubber thing. They also give a softer one and a harder one, so this can be really, there's also a brush in it. So this is really useful, guys. I have very flaky, dry and very problematic feet. I've not been caring for them for a lot of time now, but I really decided to take care of them, so that is why I bought this product. But even my dad has flaky skin, like very dry feet. I'm gonna use this on him also whenever I go to my mom's place. So I really love this product. If you're someone who has an issue with pedicure, or if you're someone who has dry feet and flaky feet, just go ahead and buy this one, guys. It works really well. This is for all ages. Everyone can use it. Everyone at the home can use it. So it's like multi-purpose thing. So just go ahead and buy it. And it's not really about the review of the product, it's majorly about the availability of the product. It's available on Amazon. So that ends the list of the products, guys. I hope this video is useful and informative for the people who are not aware that these products exist. I hope this video is useful, and please do click on that red subscribe button and also hit on the bell icon. Thanks so much for watching. Bye bye.